Hey everyone, today we're gonna go through an experience that we in the Octalysis Group helped design in the Web3 space, and it's actually a company called Spaace with two A's. You know, they're a Web3 company, they're like an NFT marketplace, and they've designed a really interesting launch system called the Arena. And this is before their product launching, before anything else, they're creating a competition to get people to drive activities interest. So this is the first time I'm trying this out. So I didn't want to ruin it for the first time and not record it because it's kind of hard to go back and do it again. So I don't know what I'm gonna see. So we'll see. Like obviously big desired action button that even does the pulsing, like so it's like, yeah, click on this button, right? Well, there's nothing else to do. There's no like, what is this? Where'd it go? It's like very clear. Enter the arena. Oh, there's like interesting sound effects too. So it's like, all right, step 1, 2, 3, connect your X account, compete, collect your Spaace rewards. All right. And I don't have a referral. So, all right, signing using X, which is old Twitter. So you can see it's all nice and refined. Obviously, this goes back to the Twitter page, even has a little Twitter star thing. All right, so connected. What's next? I have identity now. All right. So let's see. Okay, there's a video. So let's watch. Does this just want me to share? Starts now is a new valuable to create quality, blah, 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 blah. All right, so I guess we can watch the video here if we want. New value to earn experience, create quality content. Okay. All right. As you know, in the Web3 space, it's all about momentum, credibility, getting people to be excited to jump in and participate. But it looks really refined, as you can see. So this basically says airdrop is you get nice things, you get nice NFTs. Yeah, so pretty cool. I already hearted it, shared it. Maybe I add another thing that says, let's go. Yeah. Usually I'm not a big hype person. You know, I tend to, my brand is a bit more like, hey, if I say it's good, then it should be good. It's not like, wow, it's the best ever. I can never see anything better as good as this. Because you gotta be that critic, right? Now I can follow them. Okay, I can follow them. Well, I followed them already. So does that mean I finished this one? Oh, okay. It immediately tells that I did all this stuff. So that's good. Activate notation on X. Okay. It didn't give me the cling, cling, cling. I got the coin sound. So even though it gave me the check mark, it doesn't sound like the most rewarding, but it's okay. It gave me enough feedback. It validated what I did. So, if I didn't do all of these, I couldn't even go to the dashboard, and that might explain why there are 29,000 likes and 25,000 retweets, 1.7 million views, and 8,000 comments. I mean, comments were optional, right? I didn't have to comment. Like, retweet, follow, activate. Yeah. Okay, go to dashboard. Let's see what's here. Tutorial. Oh, this is the same video. Why make me watch the same video? Yeah, this is a little bit awkward. It's like you made me share the video about it, and obviously most people want to watch the video before they share it, right? And now you make me watch the video as a whole screen. So I mean, it's not a bad video, but it's like at this step, it's unnecessary, I'd say. Oh, open welcome chest. This looks so good. Big desired actions. Oh, it's even doing the, okay, what is this, a trigger like this? Oh, right. If I mouse over the button, it gives me the woof, woof, woof. It makes it really grand. All right, let me open it. Oh. What came out of it feels really wimpy though. Oh, it's a spinning wheel. Like I could have gotten those values and I got a 100. So it's kind of interesting, but it feels like it's such a grand chess. And then like this little wimpy thing comes out, and then the rotation spinning wheel doesn't feel as extended, like ding, 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 like all these are like I was just trying to figure out what it meant. And then once I figured it out, I already got what it is. So I think that part could be a little bit more exciting. All right. But overall, I think it's pretty. See, this is like well orchestrated. It's like, hey, you're so close to level 2. You should just keep pushing a little bit more, right? A little bit of core drive 6 scarcity. It's not like, oh, you just began your journey. It's not like, hey, you did nothing and you're level 2, so good job. It's like, hey, whatever you did before, all that hard work and heavy lifting, you're just so close. So you should play. All right. So what do I do when I play? Keep in mind, this is a marketing gamification campaign. So the play is just gonna be like promoting it. Okay. So don't give your hopes up too high on this stuff. All right. So orange, this is a very busy screen, by the way, but orange is the desired action. Engage to level up. I want to click this. Sign up to the beta waitlist. Okay. Create content X by mentioning this. And then there's all these other things that I think for an onboarding person, it's a little bit too much. It's nice. The desired actions, they're just 3. I don't want to look at it, but it makes me feel like I don't need to figure this out to know what I should be doing. It's a bit more core drive 2 development and accomplishment. That's promising. And then later we'll start to figure these things out. So I think at this point, it's really deciding sign up to the beta waitlist, engage to level up. But I mean, doing this will give me 1,000. So it's probably good to be on some kind of waitlist first. Okay, so this is the cryptocurrency thing. Can I connect my wallet right now? I don't know if I have it on this browser. Scan with MetaMask. Let's see if I got this. For those who are reading, you got to be very careful when something like makes you connect your wallet to anything. There are scams and all that stuff. So you really have to trust the site. And I think I don't have this readily available at this moment. So I'm not going to do it right now because it takes time to connect, to get wallet set up for the first time. But that's friction. Anything in the Web3 space, if your wallet's already connect your browser and whatnot, and you just click go and it connects. It's one click and it's easy. It's not readily available, then it's harder. But keep in mind, most people who are doing this, who are really into this NFT thing, they should have their wallet available. I just haven't touched mine for a while. All right, let's see what we should do if I come here. Okay. Engage. All right. This is oddly confusing. Engage to level up. I guess I should do something that mentioned. So it should at least give me some kind of like example, doing an onboarding analysis of Spaace for my educational platform Octalysis Prime. Woohoo. All right. Okay. And you see random videos on X. Of course, that's going to happen. But does that do anything? Refresh. How to... I just want to get my 5,000, 1,000 here. Well, every view. Okay. Let me actually read this. Create content X by mentioning this. Okay, I did that. So I definitely did that for sure. And or Spaace to earn stars. So there's 2 ways. Earn stars for every like, reply, or repost that mentions Spaace. Create quality content such as threads, videos, memes, and well thought of posts. Okay, so pretty straightforward. I just keep saying Spaace, IO, the best. Oh, Spaace, go to the moon. Everything is amazing. And then for every view, I'll get 1 coin. For every like, it's 5. Or these are what they're called, stars. Oh, and it says like if I get 100,000 views, I get 5,000 coins. Okay. So 15,000 potential to like for this phase because there's multiple phases. I mean, I don't know if everyone knows, but I know. I help them do something along this design. Referral. Let's see. You'll also receive 5% of the stars earned from users referred to. So maybe let's see, how do I refer? Maybe people who watch this video could use my referral code. How does it work? Join Spaace by using my referral link. All right. Well, if you're using it, it's JPLFC. That's me. Either way, this is not obviously the focus of making the video. Should I post this? I already think I posted too many Spaace stuff, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. It's a little too spammy in the short frequency, but seems cool. Special quests. Join the Discord. That should be an easy way to get my 1,000. Join the Discord. Okay. What should everyone call you? Yukai Chow, because that is my name. I like people calling me by my name. I am not a robot. What? This breaks the pattern. Okay. It breaks the pattern, this one. Hey, look, our brains are good at this, but shouldn't AI be good at that too? Enter your birthday. Everyone's gonna know my secret now. My secret birthday. I used to be self-conscious when I have to put in my year because, oh, I already have an account though. Okay, because I used to be really young. Oh, come on, it's already taken. That means I already have an account. So yeah, so stupid. This is I think Discord's fault. Oh, now I hear the ding ding ding. Oh, did this give me the ding ding ding? Oh wow, it's so responsive. Like it immediately acknowledged I did stuff and it gave me the sound on a different tab. That made me really happy. It was like unexpected. And I'm level 2. But I don't know what does it mean to be level 2. So what does it mean that I'm level 2? The daily quests, reply to the post of the day, repost the post of the day. What's the post of the day? Yo, yo, yo. I'm replying to the post of the day. All right, so I'm in this group. Let's just give them some fire. I don't know if I want to click all of it, but explain these rules. Level 1. Okay, so if I level up, I will increase in my rank. Level 5 is silver. And then there are some benefits. I don't want to read all of it right now. Most people won't. I'm also just going through what a regular person might go through. They're not going to go through, do everything. They're going to refer their friends on day 1 most of the time, unless they're super excited again. Oh, this is a cool, like, you know, they have really fine touches, all these things. Infinity, because I can do this every day, I guess, because it's not like do one time and it's completed. Yeah, level up, repost. Do I repost? All right, why not? Repost. Do I get ding ding ding? Do I hear ding 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 sound? Come on, give me 1500. Deserve it now. I did the hard work. I like moved my fingers quite a bit, so you should reward me now. Okay, whatever. We'll see if it later gives it to me. Like again, most things are not that responsive. It doesn't like. Oh, okay, now it does. Right? It did, right? No, not yet. It did something, but not what I was thinking it would do. That's weird. What did it just do? Okay, like 5 daily posts. Reply. It's see, they made the quest very straightforward. It's like, go do this one thing, 1 out of 5. You know, it's I think the UI design is nice, the UX is pretty good. This thing looks like a desired action that I can click on, but no, it does not. So that's not as good. I want to learn what level 3 is, but it's not as clear. Oh, this is their website. We don't have to go there. How to play. These are the rules. Video of the rules. WoW chess. Okay. Again, most people will not read everything, but it does make me want to read. Okay. Out of all the sites that I've been to, this one makes me want to read more of it. Okay, it's locked. See, this is the problem. Oh, wait. Okay, this is locked. Oh, wait. It's not locked. 0. I got trolled. Okay. Is it because... Okay, funny. I wonder if that's always the case or just I was actually unlucky. But it's okay. They made it so troll that it was kind of funny. Yeah, okay. But anyway, I think this is the onboarding for this. And keep in mind, this whole onboarding is not the space.io experience. This is only the discovery phase. They're launching in the near future, and they're doing the Space Arena campaign so people can compete, earn their ranking, and then there are multiple rounds of tournaments after this. This one, it just determines which tier on the tournament you're going to go into, and then there's more and more. A lot of cool things going on, but I think that's it for this video, and we're gonna play more of it later on and see what happens. But I just wanted to record my first time experiencing this, and I like it. I think it's one of the better things on the internet, so you can feel free to check it out yourself too.